Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Neil. Today we will be making a marble run. This is our first arts and craft project that we'll be working on from home. Before we get started, let's gather all the things we need. So for this project, you need some papers, marble, or something that resembles a marble. I did not have a marble, so I'm using my cat's toy. Safety scissors, a pen or pencil to draw a line, tape, and a cardboard. If you do not have cardboard, don't worry about it. Follow all these steps first and then we'll get to the cardboard later. Please pause the video if you need some time to prepare. Now that we have all our things together, there's a perfect time to go in the video description and take a look at the video by the League of Young Inventors. They really have a detailed description of what ramps are and how the marble run actually works. Okay, now that we have some basic understandings, let's get started. Okay, step 1. Have your cardboard out and ready. We're going to need a pencil and something to draw a straight line with. Draw a line on your cardboard. Make a slope. Draw a second line. Draw your third line where the second line ends. Drawing these lines will give us a rough idea of where our marble or the ball will end up. So in our case, our ball will end up in the circle, right there. Now that we have our cardboard ready, it is time to make the ramp. To make the ramp, take a piece of paper, fold it in half, like so. Make sure you crease it. Once you have the paper in half, fold it in half again. Make sure you crease it. And now your paper should look something like this. We're going to cut all of these 4 sections. So at this point, please pause the video and cut these 4 pieces of papers. Now that all our papers are cut, they should look something like this. To make a ramp out of it, simply fold it 1/3 of the way in, flip it the other way, and fold it in again. Your piece of paper should look something like this. If you need more than 4 ramps, please go ahead and cut some more papers and fold them all evenly. I have mine ready already. See you in the next step. Now that we have our ramps ready, we're going to take the ramp and a piece of tape, not too much. You only need a little bit because it's just a piece of paper. We don't need that much tape to hold it up. We're going to put it on one side of it. Take a second piece of tape, put it at the bottom. Put it only on one side. You're only going to attach one side to the cardboard. Make sure you do this step. Once you're done, continue the video. Okay, now we're going to take up a ramp and a piece of cardboard and align the tape side to the line that we drew earlier, like so. If your ramps are too big to match the line, you can actually cut these in half, use one piece of tape, and attach it right next to it, like so. Follow these steps for line number 2, line number 3. Once you're done, it should look something like this. And that's it, you're done. Now, all that's left to do is take your marble or ball or whatever you found around the house, drop it all the way up at top. And there we go, that's our marble run. Now that we have some basic understandings of how a marble run works, We can try new things. We can put it on different surfaces. You don't have to do it on a cardboard. I mean, I've seen some crazy people do it on a door. I've seen some people do it on the wall. Okay, all jokes aside, before you guys start taping things to the wall or door, please ask your parents. Only do it if they say yes. The beauty of this project is it is perfectly scalable, meaning you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. If you come up with something different, we would love to see it. Please post your pictures and videos in the comment section below. That's all for today. Please tune in again next week for our next project. Until then, please stay inside and stay safe. Thank you.